kublai pi baro ngapriang sobai pi jakatup kubor jengim takajan men hachwan pai chiki kubor ke babnia ngine pechwai ki mat pakongsan Pang usambut Menteri Rangba Kejala ubah Presiden Tensong bon sedang ya ke Cherry Blossom Festival andalawai yang meni Khasi pengkut Pang Menteri Kenat Pulih Putih urakam sangma ba on penlong interview ya ke samla ki bala pendep ya ke emtet haka khatsan tarik unai wek Panjing tip usambut Menteri Rangba Kejala ubah Presiden Tensong Now IG beripet ya kenat fire service halor kijing baik Hindu dekatanan. Bat ya kendo Menteri Kenat Pulih Putih urakam sangma ya ki principal jong ki school secondary bat higher secondary. Ki kubor ki babnya. Hadian balapmi kajing persya ya ke sorkar jala halor kajing penkut ya ke Cherry Blossom Festival hakasngi ublay. Usambut Menteri Rangba Kejala ubah Presiden Tensong uloong baon sedang ya ke Cherry Blossom Festival andalawai yang mene hakasngi penkun. Hakabede bat katem motor ubah Tensong ulo pentip ba ke sorkar jala kalau khot ya keren ya ki harijan panchayat komiti lane HPC hau benai banwan ban penbet ya kamat ban penkenria ya ki lais pa sapu arteli ki longyeng katem motor na yo molong.
All along the right side, whereas from our side, in the left side, we have only a disc. For this festival, which is going to happen next month, I've already told you, for the ending part, to adjust accordingly, we have decided, we have already asked the organizers to start the function only after the church service happen to everybody.
Menteri Kenat Pulih Putih ke sorkar jala urakam sangma ula pentep ba on pendong ya ke interview na ke benta ki samla ki bala pendap ya ke emtet haka khatsan terik unai wek bentung kam hikai biang sakhat arts pa ngut haki government lower primary school bat kumbal lai ne saungut haki upper primary school uni menteri ula ong ba ke interview na ke benta ki lower primary school kan long haka khatsan terik unai wek bat ya baro ki jingdon kam on pendap haswa ke Christmas Hashwa kene ki nong yalam ka Hinyo Trap Youth Council HYC kabala lam khamat da President ka seng uba Roy Kupar Senrem ulaya kendu ya Menteri Kenat Pulih Putih bat IT ya ka jingtho halor ki mat ki bede bat ka Pulih Putih ha West Khasi Hills District.
Thank you.
Find that one teacher is teaching 100 students that also
it is because of vacancy.
Interview on from 15.
Okay, sir. 15 not sir. Because our aim is.
We have already scheduled the interview for the MTET. MTET qualified candidate will be held from 15th of November to fill up more than 1,200 vacancies in the government LP school and more than 2,400 in UP school. For lower primary school interview has been fixed from 15th of November 2023 and we will try to complete the process before Christmas.
Haden ke jingja pelu ingyeng hathana road kepadon ha polis besar Shillong usambut Menteri Rangba Kejala walong ru bapet ya ketnat ki kampo yang polis uba Presiden Tensong ulapan jingtip nau IG beripet ya ketnat fire service halor ki jing ki ba ketnat ki kendu haba peniat ya ke jing lang ban khmi ya ke jingja pelu ding ha Kejala uba Tensong ulaong baka sarkar kan ya le kat bala ban penbiang kham klo ya baro ki jing .com.
Those incidents that has happened, the few decisions we taken, where ultimately I've asked the department concerned, the fire service IG in charge, to submit all the details. What are the challenges that we have, whether in terms of maybe the instrument or in terms of infrastructure or in terms of manpower, I've instructed him to submit it to the department, to the government.
Kiladan katu kat ne teli ki skul ki balaya kendu ya ke sarkar jela ben penlong compulsory ya ke subjek matematik ha ki skul. U Menteri Ketnat Puli Putih ke sarkar jela u rakam sangma hinan kesngi ulaya kendu ba katu kat ningut ki principal jong ke secondary but higher secondary school banyak ren halor ki man kum gajing penlong compulsory ya ke subjek matematik nalor ki syllabus bat ki kot ki bala penmi. Kat ko muni u menteri bon na ki principal ki ya ajing mot ban pen kelano ya ki kot kat kum ka national standard. Ula pen tepru ba on sa penlong ya ka jingelang jong ka textbook revision committee hakalai pui terik mentau benai.
Has raised their concern about learning outcomes, about the issues. Yes, they have suggested for the change of some textbook because to bring up along with the national standard. About 30 to 40 principals of different secondary and higher secondary schools. We had a threadbare discussion and we have discussed about the certain issues, be it about our textbooks issue, our syllabus, our curriculum, and making mathematics compulsory again. So many principals has raised their concern about learning outcomes, about the issues. Yes, they have suggested for the change of some textbook because to bring up along with the national standard.
U MLA Karong Sakona u Subir Marak ulaple patpa ya ka Dorambak Urban Health and Wellness Center ka bahap hapo ka Rera Para CNRD block jong ka Southwest Karo Hills district nin kesni. Lamang haduk santeli kum kini ki jaka Aijing Shakri na kebenta ke Southwest Karo Hills District lingba ke 15 Finance Commission. Kani ke jaka Aijing Sumar kan trekam kum ke sub-center hakaba uwe u Dr. Unyai Donbet hakapo trekam. Haba Aijing keren hakani kesngi uni MLA ula kentu ya ki patba ban pendon kam hok ya kani ke jaka Aijing Sumar bat syem ya ke jing long try namar kadai ke jing don jing em syaka im lang saalang. U MLA ka Jirang constituency u ba Sustenance Soton hinen kesngi ula penlong ya ka jingalang ka bakirki bat ki dorbar shnong ki bahap hapo kathan Western Riboy bat ka social welfare organization ka jingtmu jong kani ka jingalang ka long banwanra ya ki project penroi ki baper ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot bat ka shongsan ki patba ha Western Riboy ha kani ka jingalang ka Western Riboy dorbar social welfare organization kala ya ka memorandum ha MLA kathan ban pen urlong ya ki jingdawa ki badangsa. Ka draft electoral rolls of special summary revision na kabenta ki Southli ki constituency kata ka Nartiang, Juwai, Raliang bat ka Mukayaw ha kabayadey bat ka Shitarik ukalalengkot arajar arpusaw kabalong katarik ban penthama ya kitay ki constituency la penlad batsam Shakiriw San Perthay hinen kesngi da Deputy Commissioner ka West Giant Hills District uba BS Solia. Uba BS Solia uloong baka draft electoral rolls of special summary revision na kabenta kitay ki Southli ki constituency la penlad bala aipor nado ka arpunyaw tarik urisaw arajar arpulay hado ka kendai tarik unopra arajar arpulay hakabayadey bat kane kaching aipor UDC ula kentu ya kaching etrelang chang baro ki Seng San Perthay ban pentikna ba baro ki ba labiang kerta kenyo ban pendrung yelade hak electoral roll. Mentapat nginyapet kaching long jingman kasun beneng hasilong. Kajing shet kalong apwe point uwe degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong 10.3 degree Celsius. Kajing sngam kahaw kalong Henry punyaw na kasispa menstem bat nyo pulay na kasispa janmin. Kandon kajing hap slap ka ba mulumala hakibabon ki jaka. Syaban poy syabakut jang kukutup kubor nginyapet biang say sian ya kimat pakongsan. Ong usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela uba Prestun Tensong bu anstang ya ke Cherry Blossom Festival andalawai ki ying meni hakasi penkun. Ông Menteri Ketnat Kuliah Putih Rakam Sangma Baon penlong ya ke interview ya ke kuna samla ke bala pendap ya ke MTET haka katsan terik unaiwe. Pancing tip usembut Menteri Rangba Kejala ubah persetuan pensong nau IG beripet ya Ketnat Fire Service halor kijing baka Ketnat ke kendua. Pat ia kendua Menteri Ketnat Kuliah Putih Rakam Sangma ya ke principal jung ke school secondary higher secondary. Perlok de kitu ki khubor ngila poisha ka bakut jok kathup kubor jingim takajan men hado bangin da yasham yang bat phi la shai kasngi khuble phi baro
Invest in the share market, earn lakhs with guaranteed returns. This limited period offer is just for you.
Snakes have cameras in their eyes.
How can you believe